Let's explore Dig's free AI video generating tools, completely free. So the first thing you have to do is to write your prompt. If you don't know how to write your prompt, I'll be showing you in case this is the first time you are diving or you are starting your AI journey. So how to write your prompt is to think of anything you want to create, download ChatGPT from your Play Store. Now, when you download it, you can ask ChatGPT to write 7 seconds video prompt on making pap or anything you could think about. So once you are done, you hit the generating button. But because I already have my prompt, I'll be copying my prompt, then I'll be showing you the site. Alright, once you are done generating your prompt or writing your prompt from ChatGPT, you are going to open your Chrome browser and search for this fixed AI tool. So it is called LawMotion. Can you see it? LawMotion, LORE, then motion.com. So once you search for it, you just search for it, so that just like this. So you will tap search. Now you are going to click on this fixed link that said LawMotion, no sign up needed, no watermark. So you tap on it. Now when you tap on it, they are going to give you free generation. So you don't have to before you generate. They are going to give completely free generation. Do you understand? So you tap on LawMotion. So when you tap on try LawMotion, you are going to sign up for free. This site, these are a lot of people are looking for AI site, and AI site there are a lot of high demand. The last time I checked this site, you can make use of it to generate 7 seconds video. But as you can see now, temporarily limited, high demand, latest 2.2 is temporarily limited to dig up to 5 seconds and 1 active generation at a time. Alright, let's just try out. So you will just paste your prompt. Now once you drop your prompt, you are going to scroll down, increase this to before now. This can give you 10 seconds video the last time I checked it, but now because of high demand on the side, you can only make use of it to generate what 5-second video. Do you understand? So you just tap on generate. Automatically is going to delay you, like it's going to take you something like 1000 something seconds or something of that nature. Let's just check, and ad is going to play because it is free. Now as you can see, it's going to take us 252 seconds to complete. So what we have to do now is to leave it like this, then I'll go and show you the next site you can equally make use of. And the best part of Dix is that after you generate the text video, when you log in, they are going to give you 12 credits. Do you understand? So if you want to understand this particular app very well, how to make use of the site and even how to make use of the group Grok on it, so you can join my Fixless YouTube bootcamp course. So I've explained it even for those of you that are into high content creation or AI filmmaking. You can subscribe to this app, and their subscription is as low as $3, which is not up to 4,500 naira, and they can give you 1,000 credits in a month or 100 credits for book and so rest of them. So as we wait for it to generate, as we wait for the video to generate, is remaining 88 seconds. Let me show you the next site. Now this next site, I know a lot of you already know this site and you have been using it. So this is Flow, and the one of the tips I'll be showing you here is on how to maximize your credit, like to minimize your credit for high generation output. You understand? So when you search for Flow, if you don't know it before, just search for Flow AI. So this first link that said Google Labs, you understand? So that is the one you are going to click on. So automatically it's going to bring you to this point, you understand, where you are going to sign in with your Gmail account, or it's going to bring you to a place you are going to see Try VEO. So you just tap on it, sign in with any of your Gmail accounts. Now once you are done signing in, as you can see, oh my god, that means a lot of people, like billions of people, are currently making use of these two sites I'm showing you, because these two sites are, they give, their output is always top notch. As you can see, Flow is currently experiencing high demand affecting video. That means billions of people are using it. So the best thing I could tell you is that if you want to be using this site and you don't have money for subscription, you can wake up as earlier as 4 a.m. or 5 a.m. Just as you can see, I'm making this video by 5:28 to generate your videos. Then you edit it during the daytime, because the daytime, when a lot of people has wake up, the traffic will be more on the site. Do you understand? So you just tap on new projects. Alright, once you just tap on that new project, it's going to bring you to this particular aspect. So what you have to do is to see more and tap on get started. Do you understand? So what we'll be doing now is to generate our video, and I'll be showing you how to maximize your generation, so that Flow, they gives you 50 credits for daily free use. So what you have to do now is, we are making use of video. Now if you are using OmniFlash, you understand, so it's going to give you 8 seconds and 10 seconds. The 10 seconds is for 30 credits and you have 50 credits. So if you use 30 credits for one video, for 2 videos, that is 15, you can be able to generate 2 videos only in a day. Now what you have to do now, as someone that is, if you want to make, because all other AI app is always give you one generation, so Wisdom should come into play that you should make use of one generation. Now when you are using this one generation, you are going to keep your video at 8 seconds. 8 seconds is giving you 12 credits, or you keep it at 6 seconds. So 6 seconds is giving you 10 credits. Like 6 seconds for one will be 10 credits. So you can generate up to 5 videos. I don't know whether you understand. That is 6 seconds after you go and merge it on your editing app. But I prefer using 8 seconds in case if my prompt is a bit. So what am I talking about? Because if you leave it at 10 seconds, it's going to be 15 credits, or if you leave it at times 2, so the output will be times 2, it's going to be 30 credits. Now for you to maximize your credit so that you can be able to generate long video, what you have to do is to keep it at 1 output, because all other AI app you have been using always give you 1 output. So after that, you will now change it to 8 seconds, or you can keep it at 6 seconds. Then you generate, if you are using 6 seconds, it's going to give you 10 credit per video, so you can be able to generate 5 video. If you are using 8 seconds, it's going to give you 12 credit per video. That means you can be able to generate up to 4 videos or 3 videos. I don't know whether you understand. So but I prefer leaving it at 8 seconds. So once you are done, you can change your aspect ratio to any of these, Once you add on, you hit on this particular video. Now you can now paste your prompt, or if you want to make a reference of any video or any image, you understand, you can tap on this plus button. When you tap on it, it will not show you like fully like this. Why? Because you are making use of smartphone. So for you to view everything, you are going to make your phone to rotate, you understand. So you are going to make your phone to rotate so that you can be able to get it. All right, as you can see, do you see this icon, this upload icon that looks like download button if you turn it upside down? So you are going to tap on it and import the video or the image you want to make use of it. So in this case, I don't have any reference video here, but I'm just showing you in case if you want to make use of reference video or character or image, you can do that. Now I'll be dropping my direct prompt for the generation. So I'll just drop my prompt. Now I will hit generate. So is going to generate. Now as it will be generating, let's just check. Have you seen there are a lot of traffic? Even at 5 a.m. there are a lot of traffic. It's queued. So as it will be generating, let's just check the other side to know whether it's done the generation. It's done with the generation. Let's check. Okay, the generation is through. All right, when you come back to the site and you couldn't see that your video, that your free generation you did with them, so what you have to do, as you can see now, I was unable to see it where it's being located because I have not signed in. So what you have to do is to tap on sign in with any of your Gmail accounts. Once you sign in, that particular video you generated is going to reflect on your dashboard, which I'll be showing you. Make sure to verify that you are woman when you are doing this. So you just continue with any of your Google. Alright, as you can see, I've signed in. Now let me check that particular video we generated that they give to us freely. So this is the video here. Let's see. So one thing about this is that the first time we tried this, because we have been using this for almost a week now, we are trying to know how it's working. They literally give us they gave us that is 10 seconds video, but because due to the traffic a lot of people are trying the site, so it's now restricted to 5 seconds video as free user. So now let me show you about the credits. As you can see, because we signed in, they gave us, as you can see this place that is showing balance, they gave us 7 credit. So you can make use of this 7 credit for good to generate. So let's just try it now to see the difference. So just hit on generate and this group can give you 6 seconds and 10 seconds. So let's go and check the VEO. This is the video here. Let's check. So this is it. With this way if you are making use of Flow, because I prefer Flow, the other site has been restricted 5 seconds video. Flow can give you 6 and 8. The only thing is that follow this instruction to maximize your prompt. If you are making use of low motion, you understand, so you can equally make use of 5 seconds to generate the difference and join it together. If you want to know how you can be making, because Flow, that low motion is very amazing. So if you want to make use of the Grok there, how to subscribe for monthly, you can join my Fakeless YouTube channel bootcamp. And let's see. So it can give you 6 seconds. It's just your prompting. With this, I hope you can continue your creation, doing your best. So if this video helps you, hit the subscription button and turn on notification. Thanks.